So if you have multiple Mac users in your house, but you only have one Mac device to use, then in this video, I'm going to tell you how can you create new user profile in your Mac. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now to create a new user profile, select system settings on dock, or else go and select Apple logo at the top and then select system settings. Now once you open system settings, on the left hand side, go down and look for users and groups, select that. And on the right hand side, you can check out the user profiles which are already present in your Mac. So in my case, I have 3 user profile over here. Even if I go and select user option on the menu bar, you can see I have 3 user profiles. Now in order to create a new profile, you have to select add user option. As soon as you select that, you will get a pop-up screen. Over here, you need to enter the password which you use to unlock your Mac. After entering the password, select unlock option. And on this window, you have to create new user account or new user profile. Now the first option is new user. Now currently you can see it is a standard account. If you want to make it admin account, then you can select administrator over here. But if you want to keep it as standard, then select standard option. Next is full name. So enter the name over here. And as soon as you tap on account name over here, depending on the full name, it will create an account name automatically. You can keep it as it is, or else you can just simply change it if you want to. So I want to keep it like this. Okay. Now the next option is password. So you need to create a password. After creating a password, you can verify the same password again. So you have to re-enter that same password. And in password hint, you can add a hint if in case you don't remember your actual password. Now once everything is done, you have to select create user option, and within few seconds you can see we have created a user profile. Now again, if you want to create a new user profile, again you need to go to add user option, fill in the details and select create user. Now once the user profile or user account is created, if you want to do any changes, suppose if I want to change the icon over here, you can simply go to that particular option. Now you can choose whichever icon you want, and once you select it, don't forget to save it. And now you can see we have successfully changed the icon. In future, again, if you want to change it, select the icon and make sure to go to emojis, or you can either select Memoji and choose any particular icon from here as well. So yeah, this is how simple it is to create new user account or new user profile in your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.